Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Notion SSO with Google Workspace step by step clearly. To enable Notion SSO with Google Workspace, start by signing into your Google Workspace admin console. Navigate to the Apps section in the admin console. Select Web and Mobile Apps from the list. Click the plus button to add a new app. Choose Add Custom SAML App. Enter a name for your Notion app. Upload your Notion logo if desired, then click Continue. In the next screen, copy the SSO URL and entity ID provided by Notion. Now, switch to your Notion workspace. Go to Settings and Members in the sidebar. Select Security from the Settings menu. Locate the SSO section and paste the SSO URL and entity ID you copied. Next, enter your Notion ACS URL, which typically looks like this: https://www.notion.so/api/v3/. In the service provider details, fill out any required fields. Save the changes before proceeding. Return to the Google Workspace admin console. Now, set up the user attributes mapping. In the User Attributes section, add the following fields: email for the primary email and first name and last name if required. Click Finish to complete the app setup. Back in Notion, you may need to configure any additional settings related to user roles and permissions. Finally, test the SSO configuration by signing into Notion using a Google Workspace account. If everything is set up correctly, you should be able to log in seamlessly using SSO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.